Right, so this is page created 19th of October 2020. Well, that should be suspicious. Facebook, only created very recently. What day is it today? 20th. Page name has not changed. Hybrid e-bike is what it's called. Let's open it in a new thing. Facebook. There's the Facebook page of. Right, and so let's have a look. Page transparency, page created 19th of October 2020. Add your business to Facebook. The hybrid e-bike. That's a picture of one. That's completely different to the. Probably a genuine bike. Updated the business hours. That's 19 hours ago. Update the website address 19 hours ago. 19 hours ago. 19 hours ago. Hybrid e-bike. Facebook, a page created 1 day ago, ads which are too good to be true, pictures which are possibly stock pictures from somewhere else. Yeah, that's there. That supposedly is there. It's open link in new tab. That supposedly is there. Hybrid e-bike. This might be genuine. So this could be a genuine company. You have 24 hours left to take advantage of the offer. What offer is that? Okay, this could be launch. This could be a genuine thing. All right, £79.99. So it's in English money. £80 for this, which is meant to be an e-bike, which claims all these things. Money back guarantee. Join our mailing list. So that's a website. Now, if you look at the bottom, website created by, can't see, legal notice. Can't see much there. So I'm fairly sure those are genuine enough. But the thing I would say rings alarm bells is this bit. And also it says it's got 55 stars. Well, if there is a genuine company somewhere called Hybrid e-bike, then and they've nabbed their web page, you see it goes ebikehybrid.com, and then it's got all of that. Contact us. Pretty blank. Home. That thing. ebikehybrid.com. Well, there's a web page. Products, hybrid e-bike. So there we go, Facebook. I think your algorithms should well help you identify a fake or scam advert. I have my suspicions, but you can do more. Interesting address at the Gmail. You know. About a bit of French. There's not a lot there, is there? Can you please stop allowing all of these fake adverts to clutter Facebook?